class. I am John Rix Galia, your teacher for today. And now, we were going to discuss about soil erosion. But before that, let's read first our objectives. First, define soil erosion. And number 2, describe the different agents of soil erosion including water, wind, animals, and human activities. And now, let's discuss about soil erosion. Soil erosion is the process of rock and soil fragments moving from one place to another. So, ang soil erosion daw is a process wherein ang rock daw and soil is ma-move from one place to another. Transported materials due to erosion are called sediments. So, ang tawag daw sa mga materials na transport due to erosion is called sediments. Soil erosion contributes to soil formation and landform changes. And now let's proceed to the agent of soil erosion. First, water. So ang water man is one of the agents of soil erosion. It's because water moves rock and soil particles from one place to another. So ang water daw is one of the reason kung anong ang rock and soil move from one place to another. The faster water flow leads to more erosion. So kung mas fast daw ang flow sa water, it leads to more erosion. And for example, ana is ang kanang sa mountain. Di ba pag ang tubig pag mubaba na from gikan sa taas sa mountain is kanang mo color brown na siya. Ano mo color brown na siya? It because is ang water na siya gidala nga small particles sa rock o soil. And the second is wind. Wind carries light particles of sand and soil over distances. So, ang wind daw is nagadala na siya og mga light lang particles of sand and soil. And for example, na class is kanang abog. And wind daw can form sand dunes. And ang sand dunes dahil class is mo na siya ang hills or ridges of sand na formed by the wind. And like in Paway, Ilocos Norte. And the third is animals. Burrowing animals dig soil which gets transported as they move. So katong mga animals nga kanang mukotkot sa ilalim sa yuta. And kanang mupilit na siya sa ilahang lawas, and then kung move na sila, mo to nga ma-transfer na ang sand or soil. And the last agents of soil erosion is human. Walking moves soil. So ang human or ang mga tao is pag move na sila or magbaktas, nadyo na yung stick sa ilang shoes nga mga sand or soil. And that's the reason kung anong ma-transfer po ang sand or ang soil. Gardening displays soil. So kita nga mga tao kung mag-garden ta, nga possible jud nga ma-move na to ang soil nga atong gigamit pag mag-garden. Quarrying speeds up erosion. So kana pong ang mga tao pag magpabuto na sila like sa mga tunnels, and that's the main reason po kung ano ma-transfer ang small particles sa rocks and soil. And construction moves large volumes of soil and sand. So and one of the main reason po sa tao kung ano ma-transfer ang sand o ang soil kay kanang mag-construct sila building, di ba? Gagamit pa gina sila, mao na siyang ma-transfer na siya. And that's all class.